Hey, welcome! Today, we're diving into something that confuses even the best drivers: traffic lanes. Yep, those lines on the road aren't just decoration, they actually have rules. So fold your seatbelts because we are going in this amazing journey. There are 3 lanes in total, and they start with the leftmost lane. This is 1, this is 2, and lastly, this is 3. I'll start telling you them in detail, so buckle up as we break it down lane by lane. All right, first up is 1, the slow lane. This is where you'll find large vehicles like trucks, buses, or anyone who's in no rush, like a Sunday driver on a Monday morning. If you're a beginner or just cruising at a chill pace, lane 1 is your best friend. But please don't go turtle speed unless it's really necessary. Next is lane 2, the regular lane, aka the sweet spot for those who just want to drive without getting honked at by speedsters. This lane is for regular driving and is perfect if you're going at a steady, legal speed. It's like the Goldilocks lane. Not too fast, not too slow, just right. Finally, we have lane 3, also known as the fast lane, overtaking lane, or the lane where everyone thinks they're in a Formula One race. This lane is mainly for overtaking slower vehicles. If you're cruising at normal speed, this is not your place to hang out. For safety and smooth traffic flow, only use lane 1 to pass, then get back to the middle or right lane. Now let's talk speed. Each lane has its own speed vibe. Typically, lane 1 is for vehicles going below the standard speed. Lane 2 is for those sticking to the normal speed limits, and lane 3 is for vehicles going above average speed, usually at the upper limit of the speed range. But remember, wherever you are, always follow the posted speed limits. Safety first, folks. So, which lane is for you? Simple. Lane 1. Heavy vehicles, slow drivers, or anyone just cruising. Remember, keep it smooth and steady here. Lane 2. This is your lane if you're going at the average speed limit, perfect for most cars. And keep remember can be used by lane 3. Use this the overtaking, or if you're going faster than the general traffic flow, but don't hog it. Well, that's the scoop on traffic lanes. Hopefully, next time you hit the road, you'll know exactly where to go. Just remember, driving isn't about being first. It's about being safe and smart. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more fun and informative road tips. Until next time, stay in your lane and stay safe.